Okay, it may seem like an ordinary day here in October 2015, Anno Domini, the year of our Lord. A nice fall sunny day, which we'll say more about in a moment. But actually this is a very important day because after a multi-month process, which has taken far too long for reasons we won't bother explaining here, my recently newly installed solar panel system, 16 panels on the roof, each panel generating 327 watts for a combined total of a 5.23 kilowatt system, is ready to be turned on. So, no more electric bills, doing my bit to avoid global catastrophe via global climate change, earn a little money back at the end of the year. As they say, what's not to like? So without further ado, accompany me as we wander over here to the switch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition. And the meter is running. Almost instantaneously. And it's too soon to see it on the app, but shortly information will be coming in, giving me the specifics on how much energy I am generating. So now there's going to be a brief interlude while I go downstairs, check the settings on the inverter, and see what's being produced there.